Okay, so I think that was not recording. So I'm going to take you in again first. Okay, see, here's my bloom. Look at this, you guys. Just look at that. Is that nuts or what? Oh, this just gets me going here. It's just amazing. I wish you could see the shimmer of those colors. Oh my gosh. It's just incredible. Looks like we're traveling through the canyons, right? Ooh, am I making you dizzy? I'm making myself dizzy doing this. Oh my gosh, around in the ocean with pink waters and oh, look at that. Oh, I love those right there. Those white ones. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I'm in love with this one. Thanks so much for joining me for my second successful bloom technique. See you next time.